similarity is that both these Roadies and Andhadhun, they are like thrillers. You know, they are full of thrill and a lot of tasks. What kind of tasks you see in Andhadhun? No, it's not like Roadies, of course, but there are a lot of challenges in the film, and every 5 minutes you'll see a suspense or maybe a revelation in the film. So that's the commonality between the two. That's the congruent area, and the journey has been amazing from Roadies to Andhadhun. I always wanted to be an actor. Roadies, in fact, Popstars was my first reality show in 2002. If you remember the band Asma, Chandu Ke Chacha and Chandu Ki Chachi, right? That band. And I was the backup singer of that band. And after that, Roadies happened 2004. I completed my graduation, post-graduation, did radio for 2 years, did theatre for 5 years, and then I anchored on television for 4 years. And eventually in 2012, Wicked Runner happened, and now in 2018, Andhadhun is happening. So it was a long, fruitful journey. I don't know, I think I'm a very sane person. I'm not somebody who's impulsive. I take my own time. मैं अंधाधुन कुछ भी नहीं करता हूँ. So I take my own sweet time, even with the script, and with life also at the same time. But yeah, अंधाधुन काम करता हूँ. Acting, singing, whatever, travel. I think travel, yes. अंधाधुन travel करता हूँ because of work and other vacations also. राधिका तो Netflix पे शो कर रही है अंधाधुन. But having said that, Radhika is a brilliant actor. She's a radical actor. Her choices are very brave, in fact. The kind of shows she's done, like Ghoul to Sacred Games, and she's very unconventional with the choices. And in fact, this is a more conventional role for her. Like, we have a love track in the film, so this conventional choice is exactly an unconventional choice for her, in a way. So. I was in all-boys school and all-boys college, so flirting was out of question. मतलब हमें सिर्फ टीचर्स पे क्रशेस होते थे. हाँ, और so yeah, I was quite a nerd in college, and अंधाधुन थिएटर करता था मैं, and अंधाधुन थिएटर के साथ अंधाधुन क्लासेस लगाता था. My attendance was always full, complete, like more than 75%. In fact, that was the condition my dad had put कि जब तक आपकी बेटा attendance पूरी होगी तब थिएटर तभी तक कर पाओगे, नहीं तो उसके बाद नहीं करना. So I think theatre and academics both were going Andhadhun. Okay, I did not read the script of Andhadhun. I got a narration from Sriram Raghavan, and he's a genius. And I was actually sitting on the edge of my seat while he was narrating the film to me. And he's not the one who will give you a bound script. He's a very spontaneous director. When you're on the set, he'll use the milieu to his own convenience with the script, and you know, because we plan a lot of stuff before going on the set, but it just goes haywire completely because he just wants to be 10 steps ahead of the audience. So I think it's very challenging to work with him. I think it's already mentioned in the trailer that every artist has a secret. So I think out of the main star cast of a film, I think I could be the most deceptive, or maybe the perfect serial killer, because every other character looks very straight in a way. So I think I could be the perfect serial killer in the film. Of course, my character, because I'm playing a blind guy in the film, so I do all my things like daily chores on my own. I don't have a help at home in the film, so I think I'm perfect for that. My favorite Sriram Raghavan film is Ek Hasina Thi. I think that film was ahead of its times. and that was the time when, you know, Indian cinema was going through that transition from commercial cinema to content-based cinema, and I think that's his favorite film of mine. So yeah, Ek Hasina Thi Anandani. Learning piano, it's so difficult, learning a new instrument, because you have to be ambidextrous. Both your hands, you have to work together in tandem. And playing blind pianist is all the more difficult. You can't just see the keys. So I think I'll cherish these challenges throughout my life. It's a very tricky situation. I don't know how to get there. Tabu Mama is taller, so I think I'll ask them to stand. And then Ayushman Bhava. So I'll see who's taller and then I'll decide. Maybe, of course, to deceive me, Radhika can wear heels also. But I'll get to know, I guess. This is the vibe. I think अंधे हम सब है यार. We choose to ignore certain things. तो एक तरह से अंधे हम भी हैं. इंडियन सोसाइटी भी कुछ हद तक अंधी है. हर एक सोसाइटी अंधी है. आई थिंक हमें अब फिर भी प्रोग्रेसिव हो रहे हैं रिसेंटली हम, बट एट द सेम टाइम हमें काफ़ी चीज़ें इग्नोर नहीं करनी चाहिए जो हम कर देते हैं. तो हमें अपना अंधापन दूर करना चाहिए और अंधाधुन रिग्रेसिव थॉट्स को फॉलो नहीं करना चाहिए.